Paxie. Paxton, you think Gable's in there? Is he in there? Who's in there? Who's in there? Who's in there? Ready? Where is he? Where's Gable? Where's Gable? Where is he? Is he under the blanket? Where is he? Where is he? Where's Gable?
He's not gonna climb the seats this time.
Where is he? Go find Gable! Go find Gable! Aw. Is he not there? Is he not there? Oh. No, he's not in the cracks.
The truck must smell good. He's gonna fall.
He's all happy. Oh, he's not there.